News at 6.
Family from Waukegan still seeking answers after police arrested a 15-year-old, wrongly charged him with attempted murder after a false confession.
WGN's Jenna Barnes joins us live with the latest on this story. Jenna?
Yeah, Ray and Micah, the family met with the state's attorney here this afternoon, and the focus of that meeting was largely on how police got that false confession. There's even a new state statute that prohibits the tactics the state's attorney and the family's attorney say police used.
There is no explanation. There is no excuse for what went on here.
For about half an hour Wednesday, 15-year-old Martell Williams, his mom, and their lawyer met with the Lake County state's attorney demanding accountability. Williams was arrested last week and charged with attempted murder and aggravated battery, accused of shooting a store clerk at a Waukegan Dollar General earlier in the month, a crime he did not commit. Williams was playing a high school basketball game in Lincolnshire at the exact time that shooting occurred.
I was scared. I just wanted to go home.
He gave a false confession, his lawyer and state's attorney Eric Reinhardt say, because of the way police questioned him.
Some people who were at the store wrongfully identified him out of a lineup, and one thing led to another. They went to the school, they arrested him, and they started telling him that they already knew he had been at the store. And by confronting him in that way, by telling him that we already know this to be true, it led to these problems.
The family reviewed the video of that interrogation at the police department after their meeting with Reinhardt.
It was horrible. It was horrible to watch. His mom was so disturbed she had to leave the room.
Williams spent 2 nights in juvenile detention before his family could prove his innocence and have the charges dropped.
That's a problematic technique to be using when it comes to juveniles.
A new state law took effect last month that says if an officer knowingly uses deception to obtain a confession from someone younger than 18, that confession won't be admissible in court. Reinhardt says his office has been training police departments on the law and will continue to. The ramifications never clearer.
I think we need to improve from this. We don't want to minimize the terror that Martell went through. We don't want to minimize that in any way, but we have to do better.
Williams' lawyer says the meeting with the state's attorney was promising, and he says it is still early in this, but he's not ruled out filing a lawsuit against the police department. We reached out to the police chief again today and have not heard back. We're live in Waukegan. Jenna Barnes, WGN News.